All our Utopia pergolas are constructed from 70 by 70mm uprights and thick roof purlins, meaning the Utopia pergola is able to take on any British weather. In addition, the pergolas come with 2 buttress trims per post, as standard. To increase the longevity of the Utopia pergola, all the framework is fully pressure treated as standard and is guaranteed for 10 years. The pressure treatment will reduce the likelihood of any rot and insect infestation and require less seasonal maintenance. We only use slow-grown spruce timber for our pergolas. A very high-quality timber which provides you with a more durable and dense structure, meaning fewer knots, splitting, warping, or leaking sap. All our Utopia pergolas come in full lengths of timber for a quicker build, less bolting and fixing, and for a sturdier garden structure overall. As our Utopia pergolas are designed for the UK, the vast majority are under 2.5 meters tall, meaning you are far less likely to require planning permission. If you are unsure though, it's always best to contact your local authority. Gain a little more privacy or protection from the weather by adding customizable wall panels to the Utopia pergola. There are 3 types of panels: half-height panels, full-height panels, or half-glazed panels. Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?